Hi, I'm Jason with Main Street Homes and I'm in Tuckmar Farm. We're standing inside of our Monterey Craftsman, a gorgeous first floor primary home located at 3813 Tuckmar Pond Drive. Let's go take a tour. This stunning Energy Star home sits on 1/3 of an acre and offers a first floor primary bedroom, 3 additional bedrooms, a bonus room, and a 12 by 12 screened-in porch. In the gourmet kitchen, we've added a wall oven, microwave, gas cooktop, soft close cabinetry and island, a large pantry for stocking up on those essentials. It also has a charming eat-in breakfast nook that's open to the family room. The private first floor primary bedroom is located off the family room and offers an ensuite bathroom that includes a double vanity, garden bathtub, private water closet, shower with a bench, and a walk-in closet. The spacious second floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms including a Jack and Jill loft area and large bonus room or 5th bedroom. If this or any of our move-in ready homes interest you, please contact me at 540-580-5172 or check out our website at gomsh.com.